Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today we are at day 14 of 15 days English speaking challenge. I'm sure you're able to follow all my sessions and it has become easier for you to start speaking in English by now. Take level 1, level 2 and level 3 individually also to start making progress, right? If you are at beginner level, take day 1 to day 5, which is level 1. If you are an intermediate level, you can take up level 2, which is from day 6 to day 10. And if you are in advanced level, you can take up level 3, which is from day 11 to 15. Okay, you can extend the duration as well. So at level 1, when you know you're comfortable doing all the exercises and you have made progress, then jump to level 2. Otherwise, stay with level 1 until and unless you see improvements and you're ready to jump to the next level. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about day 14. But before that, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So guys, let's start. So here also 3 activities simultaneously we have to do, which is listening, writing and speaking. You can pick up any piece of information, anything which you want to, which you're interested in listening to or watching. Just watch it completely and then start writing about the pointers or ideas which was told in that video or in that clip, whatever you have watched or listened to. Okay, if you're listening to an audiobook also, you can do the same, right? So you have to prepare yourself as if you have to give a presentation on that. Okay, so write down the pointers. Then start practicing on elaborating those pointers or describe those pointers. What do you mean by that? Okay, what is the idea behind that? Okay, once you're comfortable doing this, switch on your video camera and start recording it. And why recording? Later, you can just look at it and see what improvement you need. How was your body language? How was your expressions? How was your tone, intonation, rhythm, accent, everything else? Whether you were able to translate all the ideas correctly or not. Whether you paused a lot, you stopped, you forgot sentences, etc. So everything you have to notice and then you have to improve on that. Okay, so this is one 3-step method. Next, I spoke about social media sites, like, you can just start engaging yourself in conversations with people. Every day we are on social media. We do write like comments, we do like photos and statuses of others, right? So why can't we start the thread? Why can't we start posting something there? Right? You can start posting something, start replying to people, start commenting on people's ideas or thoughts or conversations, and keep yourself engaged in conversations. So you'll get a hang of how to ask questions, how to reply to people, right? So this is the first step. Next, what you can do here is you can just start taking up one-on-one conversations, right? So here at this stage you can call restaurants and you can call any other food chain and you can just order your food. Okay, you can book salon appointment, you can do reservations in restaurants or clinics, appointments in clinics. So you can do this. The next stage or next step will be you have to go out and start speaking to people, right? You go and order food in a restaurant, right? You go and buy movie ticket in a multiplex. Go and talk to people for help in a mall. When you're outside, you're looking for something, you need help with the direction or any store or anything else, just ask people, ask strangers for information. Okay, so start including all these things in your everyday, day-to-day life so as to start thinking in English, start speaking in English and becoming more confident or building confidence and fluency while speaking in English in actual situations. So here you're talking to strangers, you are having a one-on-one conversation, which is one-liners, right? You know what you have to say. So frame a question, come up with a thought, an idea, and frame it. Frame a sentence and then speak. Okay, when you are at a doctor's clinic, you have to come up with what you have to say. You practice that first and then go and speak. Okay, so frame a question, then speak. Whatever you have to say, you have to order something, prepare a dialogue, prepare a script, practice it and then speak. This is the best way you can start gaining confidence and fluency while interacting with people, while engaging in conversation with people one-on-one. Okay, now, once all of it is done, the next thing which I want to include at day 14 is start talking on topics. Start having conversations on topics. Now, with whom you can have conversations, right? So, the first one I'll take up is social media sites. WhatsApp is there, your Facebook is there, your Instagram is there, YouTube is there, your X is there. So you have to join communities, join groups which are into English speaking, and come up, and there are lots of groups where people want to talk to people in English, right? So start having audio calls or video calls with them. So start making a group of friends on WhatsApp or Facebook, or join communities and groups which are into English speaking and start having conversation with them on topics. Here you can decide your topic and then start speaking on it, right? So prepare and speak, prepare and speak. So prepare the whole script, you can't prepare, right? You can just jot down the pointers. When others are talking, listen to them actively, see what they're speaking about. You will definitely get another idea. So you have to be an active listener, you have to participate in the discussions, and you have to be completely focused on the discussion. So this will also help you to get new ideas. Okay, so start doing this. Next thing what you can do is just a minute. So when you have people around you, when you are having a discussion, you all can do this also. So everybody will get 1 minute to prepare. Jam technique is just a minute. So come up with a topic and everybody will get 1 minute to speak on that topic. Right? Speak on it. So everybody will get a chance. You will also get a chance. Prepare and speak. Another one is group discussion. Start engaging yourself in group discussions. And same thing, come up with a topic and start having a group discussion. Right? Here everybody speaks, but you have to make sure that everybody gets some space to speak about the topic. Okay, don't fight. Make sure everybody gets a chance to speak on that topic. So start engaging yourself in group discussions in just a minute and conversations. So here you will start actually talking to people in groups. Okay, so this is the best way to start having conversations on your groups, on your social media accounts, on different groups and communities which you have joined, and with your friends or relatives, whoever wants to speak in English. You can just come up with a group and you can start having conversation with them. Okay, start doing this on day 14. This is actually going to help you when you'll go out and start speaking to people. Here what is happening is you are sitting at your convenience. You are at your home and you're talking to people. So you don't have that pressure. Okay, but you are relaxed. But then of course while speaking you will feel the pressure. So try to control yourself. Try to control your nerves. Try to control your nervousness. Think about it. Think about what you can say. Right? Come up with ideas and then speak. Don't just jump in the conversation without thinking, without preparing. Right? Practice or prepare and then speak. Okay, so these are some ways in which you can start speaking with people in English. You can start engaging in conversation with people. Okay, at your convenience. And this is very important, guys. This is something which you have to continue for a long duration. You have to make sure that you get into the habit of having conversation with people in this way, like group discussions or jam sessions, or engaging in conversations on any topic. Every single day you have to take out time to do this. Okay, so if you are on group or communities, Of course, it will be convenient for you. You can come up with a time. You all can come up with a time and you can start, working on it together. If you have a friends group on WhatsApp or Facebook, that's well and good. If you have your own group, that's also well and good. You can also do that. And for professionals also, guys, you have to take out time to start speaking in English. I understand you will not have much time, but then you have to dedicate some time to speaking or having a conversation with people or engaging in conversation with people one-on-one or in groups. Right? Once you start doing this, then only you'll start speaking in English with your office colleagues or managers or during team meetings as well. Right? So this is very important. Start working at your end, whatever is possible. So basically you are building a habit of getting in a conversation. Right? First day might not be good. It will be very bad. But then you will see improvement. Don't think that you are prepared and you will excel. That doesn't happen, right? There are situations, there are lots of factors which influence our speaking also in different situations. So that is why be prepared that you will fail. And there's no harm in failing, right? You will learn something and then you will grow. So take it slowly, take it casually and relax. Okay, you'll definitely see improvement in some time. It will not happen overnight. But if you keep on doing these activities, if you keep on training yourself to speak in English, to think in English, it will actually help you in real life situations later. Okay, so these activities are to build up your confidence in speaking in English. Once you start speaking with people, once you start interacting with people, you know how to start, how to think, it will be much easier for you to build on your confidence, right? And once you build on your confidence, you will build on your fluency as well. So that is not a problem. But it takes some time, so don't be in a hurry, don't rush to achieve your goal. Okay. But you have to be consistent. You have to speak. You have to speak every single day. You have to have a conversation with people in English every single day. Practice at home. Practice outside. Everywhere you have to be prepared to grab an opportunity to start speaking in English. Okay, I understand we are not in an English speaking country, so every time we'll not get that opportunity. We have to think about where to speak in English. Right? So we have to be very alert and we have to grab opportunities to start speaking in English, and that is actually going to help us with our fluency and building confidence. So join groups and communities on different social media sites that will actually help you. Make a group of friends who wants to learn English or speak English fluently and confidently. There are lots of people who will be interested in this. So you can come up with that and you can start practicing. So 2-3 people also are more than enough to start engaging in conversation, start speaking in English on different topics. Choose topics, start speaking on it. Okay, so what all topics you can speak on? You can just start sharing your experience about anything. You can start sharing your experiences about food, lifestyle, health, climate, weather, vacation, picnic spot, school, college, office, anything, your professional life, your personal life, whatever you wish to speak about. Okay, you can take any topic and you can just start speaking about it. We have a lot of things. We go to a restaurant and we had food, right? We can just review that. I've been on Vande Bharat and I reviewed my breakfast there. Okay, so in this way, you can just take up one thing from your day and start speaking about it. It's not difficult, guys. It's not tough. It's very easy. You have to just think about it, what you have to speak. Speak about it. Ask others also. They'll also add to that topic. Okay, so everybody has some experiences. So start speaking on general conversational topics from your real life situations. Don't come up with topic like economy, world economy, or depression, or climate change. Don't come up with such topics. I want you to come up with actual real topics which you have witnessed, which you have experienced, which you have felt, etc. Whatever you have been through, just talk about that, right? From your daily life. speak on that, and that will help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English, because these are the topics which we talk about every single day with people. Imagine it in your mother tongue. What all topics you speak every day, what all things you discuss with people every single day. You will get an idea. So get an idea from there and then start speaking about it in English. That is also another way you can start talking to people. Right? What topics you can take up while speaking. Okay. So these are some ideas which I have given you. Now it's your task to start speaking, guys. I've started my shorts channel also. If you're interested, do subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I've given the link in comments also, and I've given the link in the description boxes. Okay. So guys, that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.